What are we working on? Computer, laptop and printer sales and services. Peripheral and accessories. Security systems and home automation.
MSI Radeon RX 6700 XT. About this item. AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT gaming graphics card with 12GB GDDR6 memory, powered by AMD Radeon A2, ray tracing, PCI Express 4.0, HDMI 2.1, AMD Infinity Cache. Display outputs: 3x DisplayPort 1.4 DSC, 1x HDMI 2.1 VRR. Mech brings a performance-focused design that maintains the essentials to accomplish any task at hand. The award-winning MSI Torx Fan 3.0 design creates high static pressure and pushes the limits of thermal performance. A clean-looking texturized backplate reinforces the length of the card. Brand: MSI. Manufacturer: MSI. MSI. Model: Radeon RX 6700 XT H2X12 GOC. Model name: Radeon RX 6700 XT H2X12 GOC. Product dimensions: 24.7 by 13.1 by 5.1 cm, 921 grams. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Item model number: Radeon RX 6700 XT H2X12 GOC. Hardware interface: PCI Express X16. Graphics card RAM size: 12GB. Graphics RAM type: GDDR6. Graphics card interface: PCI Express X16. Graphics coprocessor: AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. Compatible devices: desktop. Mounting hardware: graphic card. Number of items: 1. Video output interface: DisplayPort, HDMI. Voltage: 12 volts. Wattage: 650 watts. Batteries included? No. Batteries required? No. Manufacturer: MSI. Country of origin: China. Item weight: 921 grams.
Fast shipping. All orders are shipped in 1 to 2 business days.